Hi everyone, today I'm back with a new video. I decided to make a video about the new electric chainsaw I bought it. The brand called Hawksmoor. It's quite a complicated name. I bought it on toolstation and the price is about 56 or 57 quid. Also on your right you see there's an oil. I took this as well because I'm gonna be testing this chainsaw as well. So let's have a look. Let's unpack, let's unbox it. So as you can see, it looks quite cool. Also you can get in Screwfix Titan. I didn't like the Titan, the color and the design and stuff like this. Looks a bit more presentable. Also what is good about this one, they give 2-year warranty. On a Titan they give just 1-year warranty, so I think it's better value for the money. So Titan price at the moment is 49.99, so 50 quid in Screwfix. So this 7 quid more, but it's definitely worth it because you get 2-year warranty. So let's go and have a look what is inside and unpack this amazing cheap saw, see what it's capable of. Never heard this brand before as well. So also why I think it's better to pay a few quids for this chainsaw instead of Titan, because you get 5-meter cable as well, which is on Titan you get only 3-meter cable. Right, so what we've got here, we've got some manual, we've got some cover, we've got some chain. Saw looks pretty cool. Orange cable, which is good, so it's always visible. This is where we put the oil. Maximum 150 ml, add before use. Okay, we will add this as well before we're gonna use it. So let's see how easy it is to assemble this saw. So first thing, let's see if we can find something on manual. Bar and chain, bar cover. Specs, explanation, question, description, assembly operating section, number 16. Right, so what we see in here, we need to remove this cover. To remove this cover, sorry about the background noise, because some heater running on garage heater plant. So let's see, this is the, I don't know what you call it, the cover for the bar. So it's pretty easy, simple access. Double guard. That looks cool. So this, suppose, I don't know if it's adjustable. If you can adjust this thing, probably you could. But I think the Titan Screwfix is not adjustable. Made in China. I don't know, let's see how long chain will last. Actually, they need to look in instructions. You can have a look here. It shows instructions already. So this is a bar, thingy, chain, cover, oil. Just kind of mini instructions on the back, which is pretty cool. Okay, let's go ahead and I don't know if you can check it out, this bar. It looks like riveted. Maybe we don't have to. Also I've seen on toolstation you can get new chain for 18 quid, 17.99. Another good thing about this chainsaw is more powerful than Titan. common sense for any man to use a common sense to put this thing correctly. Make sure all lines up, sand the groove. That's it, here we go. So basically those, you see there's like a teeth here, to make sure you slot into this groove, put this thing in, and looks like it's ready to go. It's quite full cover. Okay, make sure it's tight. Chainsaw oil for petrol and electric. So this cost me £5 something. So let's round up about 6 quid max, which is quite decent price. And then it's a 1 liter, and it's suitable for petrol and electric, which is good. So let's top up. Let's top it up. I always make the hole like this, so it's easy to pour it. Obviously, to some of you probably reminds something, but it's probably that's the way it's designed, is better, works. As you can see, no leakage, very nice going in. So it says add more, not more than 150 mil. I don't know how much I added already. Hopefully this is enough. It's not all the way to the top, but it should be fine. We don't want to over top it up. Let's put the cover on. Let's put the protection on. See if I'm testing now. Here we go. So that's that. We're done unboxing of, can't even remember the name of the brand, which it says here Hawksmoor. Hawksmoor, quite complicated name, but yeah. To be honest, it looks cool. It looks cool, green color, orange cable visible, so you know you can see the cable in between your, trees or bushes, so you don't cut it. It's so easy. And let's go and test it a little bit. All right. So I plugged in my chainsaw. Let's test it. So before we started, we removed the brake this way. So it is quite fast and powerful, and feels like dangerous. So once you put the brake on, it stops. So let's go and try to cut a little branch. I'm not gonna cut big trees, but I'm gonna test it on little branches. And let's see how it's gonna go. I think this kind of cheap tool for DIY is perfect. So you don't want to spend hundreds pounds on this kind of tools where you're gonna use like once a year. So I'm gonna climb on this ladder. I'm gonna cut a little branch. think I've done a mistake, so I think I put the wrong side chain. I need to flip it over. Let's try to put the other side and we test it again. What a dummy. Yeah, so this time I put the glasses on, make sure I got all protection. So yes, I have to apologize. So there's nothing wrong with the saw, Hawksmoor saw. Everything is fine. The problem was, it was my mistake and I put the chain wrong way. So now we're ready for another test. Let's go. As you can see, this time it goes like through the bottom. So what can I say? Right, so it went really fast. It went like through the bottom. So it's definitely worth money. Very good value, good performance, and yeah, definitely suggest you if you want to cut your trees or something like that, go for this one. I don't know how it's about Titan, but I really like this one. As you can see, it's really powerful. Work as a treat. So yeah, I'm pretty happy. So thanks for watching my videos, for unboxing this amazing chainsaw, Hawksmoor. And please like my videos, subscribe, and I'll see you in next videos. Ciao.